Okay, Facebook and YouTube. I'm at one of my favorite places in the world, Courtney Campbell Causeway. I pretty much come here. At one time I was coming once a week. I've kind of somewhat slacked off of that a little bit, but make no mistake, it's still part of my routine. I'm literally walking the line, as they say. I need to pay attention where I'm going because it's actually a high tide. So in a few minutes, the water level is going to be it's going to be basically right next to me. And today it looks kind of high. Nothing I can't handle. You know, when I'm by water, I'm not the world's best swimmer, actually. Don't tell nobody that. But I know how to do what I gotta do. I can do a basic float. But anyhow, see what I'm talking about? Lord. But it's beautiful out here. It is high tide. It's not normally this high. They usually have like these I guess they'll be called pencil fish. They're like real long. I don't see them today. Oh, this is very relaxing, just hearing the sound of the water. And there's usually always somebody here, like this guy here, swimming, doing something. See, now it's like it got quiet all of a sudden. The waves are calming. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, here. Man, it got suddenly quiet. Dude. Listen to that. Wow. You're gonna see how high it is in a second when I come around this corner. This is kind of high, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting high.
Let's see. It's like right next to the ledge. That's why I'm being a little bit careful. It's like right up. Look at that. See that, people? It's right here. It's never, usually the water is like way back. It's pretty here though. I think someone told me it's like 12 feet. Maybe like 12 feet deep, something like that. I could be mistaken, don't quote me. Like usually you can walk on this part of it. It's just a day in the life of a nature lover. Yeah, this is high, because I would be walking on the rocks. Going under this little bridge for a second. You can never see my dolphins. I only seen them once. That was it. Uh-oh, here come the car. Don't hit more. Mind you, this is only like 15 minutes from my house. So my neighborhood park is a lot better than yours. Don't be a hater. Lovely, 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 lovely. We're just doing a quick little walk. See how close, just so you can see, it's high today. For real, for real. Alright. This I can trust myself to stand on. Even though it's high, you know, I'm a person, as long as I can see the bottom, I'll do it. When it starts getting to the place where I can't see the bottom of it, I almost cuss. I was about to say, shit. But Forgive me, people on my channel. Forgive me, but as long as but here you almost can't. Like a couple feet out, that's it. I don't. But anyways, y'all, this is your boy, Earth Boy. Sun and rain. Enjoying the little nature walk. Maybe one day some of you can join me. Maybe. Alright, I will get with you all later.